Hi, everyone. We are here with Salvador Cortez and Rosana Hill from Absolute Mortgage Group. And Sal, we were talking about how busy your team has been lately. And I was wondering why. We keep reading that as an industry, it is kind of slow. So how are the two of you so busy?
What's interesting is this year has really been about utilizing the broker advantage and all the products to their fullest potential. Over the past few years, when I got into the industry, I was always interested in a lot of the oddball products that a lot of people didn't either know how to use or didn't understand. So for me, I've always been about when others say no, I say maybe, and very often, yes. And that's that's my motto about this business.
Okay. So tell me a little bit more about what you mean.
Instead of me just talking about what I mean with that, let me share with you some of the loans that we've been doing, me and Rosana. So, I like investment. So a big win for me recently was we just closed my first retail wholesale purchase deal. What that means is we did a loan for a buyer who bought a deal from a wholesaler off MLS. I didn't even really know that was possible. It's a first for me. So that was super exciting because I didn't know it could be done. I know a lot of people who wholesale properties, and this is a big win.
Got it. Rosana, can you share with us another one, please?
Sure. We have a client that is self-employed. He does not report much income on his taxes, and he wanted to buy a ranch in Rio Linda, California. So the taxes he reported was not enough for him to buy this property, but we went another route. He is a owner of business, so we request his bank statements. So that given the possibility of buying this property that he likes. So right now he's in contract. He's been approved. Payments are acceptable for him. He likes it. He's happy because otherwise he couldn't buy if we didn't have this option for him. He's not an investor. He's a first-time buyer, self-employed business owner, and nobody could help him. So we give him this option. It is a little bit higher in payment, but he didn't care because he needs his ranch. He got animals. He got the business to develop. So he's so happy with this, and we are happy to help him because we give him the possibility that others could.
I'll share another one. So right now we're doing a no income, no taxes loan for a buyer, and this isn't a bank statement loan, for a buyer, first-time buyer in the States who just sold a home in New Zealand and is self-employed, but has not been here long enough to use income to qualify using bank statements or anything like that. Yet here we are, we're getting in the loan. Another one I'm working on is we're doing investment hard money type for a fixer-upper property in Land Park with 10% down and money for the rehab. So it's another loan.
Other options that we're offering our clients is, if you already have a house, you bought it a couple of years ago, now you have the chance to use the equity money you have in the property to eliminate debts. We call them HELOCs, the home equity line of credit. These loans help the borrower to eliminate debts, use the money for investment, use the money for improvements. So that is a good possibility if you run out of money, you're in the middle of a project, you don't know what to do, but you have a property, you can take advantage of that, use some money, and it's a total different loan. We're not going to touch your low interest loan that you have now. It's a separate loan, but you can take advantage of the equity that you have on your property.
Yeah, and the other thing about it that's kind of unique is the loan to value. Normally, a lot of banks maybe allow you 70%. We can go a lot higher. So that's why we're able to do that. And all of this has been in addition to our normal FHA conventional loans that we normally get every day. So we have several of those happening also. But the reality of it is we're going to have a good couple of months. Our pipeline's full. And it's really full because we say yes when everyone else is saying no. So, if you know anybody who's looking that maybe has unique situations, instead of just allowing them to disappear out of your pipeline, bring them to us, send it to us, maybe just a quick conversation, and, maybe we can help your clients.